Here's a good way to make a comfortable splint for an unstable lower leg injury that stabilizes both the knee and the ankle. First, measure your poles or sticks so that they go from the very top of the leg to a couple of inches past the foot with the knee slightly bent. Next, fold the tarp or blanket to just the right length so that the tops of the poles are wrapped within the tarp, but the parts at the foot will stick out at the end so that you could tie onto them. Next, roll up the sticks in the tarp or blanket. Make sure to pad the splint everywhere so it's comfy and supportive, including under the knee. Padding around the foot may be necessary depending on the thickness of your tarp or blanket. It will be the least painful for your patient when you move their leg into the splint if you pull gentle traction while lifting the leg. Here in the video, I'm just pulling at the ankle, but ideally you would have somebody supporting and stabilizing just below the knee while you moved their leg. A handy trick to pass your tying straps or cravats underneath the splint is to use a stick or a pole to push them directly under the knee. You'll want padding under the straps as well so they don't dig into the skin, causing pressure points which could lead to tissue damage and discomfort. Now tie the splint together tightly, starting with a strap at the very top of the leg, then one just above the knee, one just below the knee, and one at the ankle. Use knots that are easy to untie so that you can adjust the tension in the straps as needed. A key point to stabilize the ankle is to tie the poles together beyond the foot. This is often referred to as the go beyond principle. The poles should be low to the ground at the top of the leg, but come up towards the base of the toes at the other end. Make sure to cover up the foot to keep it warm, but maintain access to check circulation. This go beyond blanket roll lower leg splint that we've shown here is one of the best ways we've found our students have success stabilizing both the knee and the ankle if your patient's not going to be strapped into a litter throughout your care for them. If they are being transported straight to the hospital and they'll be in a litter the whole time, you can instead make a simpler jelly roll style splint with only a foam pad, but note that this only stabilizes the ankle and it's being tied into the litter that stabilizes their knee.